Hey Flucos, have you heard? We're giving back to our community in a day of service called Hands On Fluvanna. Come on, I'll show you how you can lend a hand.
Hands on!
Students and teachers are teaming up and going out into our community to make a difference. Come on.
Hands on!
I'll be painting.
I'm going to be serving local residents.
And I'm getting my hands dirty.
Parks and Rec needed my help.
We'll be organizing.
And we're giving back to our community.
How are you going to make a difference?
While some of us are away, the rest of us will be here, serving locally and globally at our 4 different community service stations.
Packaging gift bags.
I'm writing letters
To our servicemen and women through the USO.
Making bracelets to be given out at our local hospice. Creating placemats that will be handed out to families through local food banks and Fluvanna Meals on Wheels.
creating connections
Between our school,
And our community.
together,
As Flucos.
We will give our hands to serve.